Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a beautiful visual logo design. So it is super easy and the word. The number of tech this I set today. So let's begin. So we're running today. We need just to a little bit smaller here, there, and keep to the counter side. Make clear or put a little bit too bad. But don't worry, it will be clear that we're ready to do. I just go to the overhead, the dashboard, ellipse tool. I select first ability and it's just pressing together. Okay, so we're ready to do. I just go just that and I need direct selection over here and delete. Okay, then I go. I just go to the effect and go to ready result. Okay, just fine and fantastic. We're ready today. Up axis over front here, but I needed to front. Okay, the front, and I needed just to review over here. It's okay. I already done it. Okay, just now that okay. No, here I needed just fit valve. I need to select. Okay, I feel back and scale or like that. You can get a choice, but I fit scale to fit, and I think it's better. And go W percent. And it's like that. And it's okay to be on side the more pump a little bit percent. And so I think it's okay. So what we're going here take that. Okay. Done. Okay, I needed to go and go. It's okay. It's okay. So and go over here. There. How fantastic football. So it's there. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, I need to click on it's add. You see what I wanted. Few minutes. So thanks for watching.